Hey guys, we're just waiting for a few more people to join here. There we go. Just gonna wait for a few more people to join here so that it's not pointless stream. How does the computer screen look on the stream? Is it easily visible? Looks good on my end, but better make sure that's working properly first. Whatever happened there? Perfect. Zoom in a bit. I don't know if I can do that on here. Oh, look at that, I can. How's that? Better? Alright, we got 7 people in here. It's now we're back down to 6. Once we reach, I guess, at least 10 people, we'll start doing this update. I just figured this would be a faster way to get this forecast for you guys, so because by the time we film, stitch it all together, and get it uploaded to YouTube, then share it on Facebook, it usually takes an hour or two at least, so figured live streaming it would be a little bit quicker maybe. Get this information to you guys as fast if it would stop disconnecting. Alright, we got 8 people, 2 more people, and we'll start this stream. One more person. And I think this stream will still be viewable on YouTube after we're done as well, so if anybody misses it, they can catch it after. In the previous video you saw we were starting to see a northern trend in this system, and with the latest run it is still continuing to look that way. Right now I'm on precipitation type, which is going to show us all the blue is snow, and anything down here there's rain and a mixture of freeze, so that's a good thing. At least we're not going to be coated in ice. Go, they have gone up a bit for Manitoba. I'll show you that, guys, that. And this is also the NAM model. I'll show you the HRRR model right after this. So this is what we're seeing now for, wrong one, sorry guys. There's the problem with live stream. I can't cut that part out. Alright, so this is what we're seeing now. As far as snowfall accumulations, you can see southeast Manitoba is into this purple now, which is anywhere from 6 inches to 8.5, 9 inches down in extreme southeast Manitoba. And if I can remember off the top of my head, that's about 20 centimeters. So even Winnipeg is looking at about 4.5 inches. Brandon, 2.6 inches. Portage la Prairie in the middle, about 3.7, 3 to 4 inches. And Winkler Morton's looking at somewhere around 5 to 6 inches. Down here in around Sisseton, South Dakota, what we were seeing before was about 60 centimeters. It's showing about 18 to 20 inches now. If I can find that paper I was writing on earlier, which I don't know where it went, so I guess I won't show you guys that. There it is. Alright, so this is what we were seeing earlier. Was around 8 centimeters for Winnipeg, 6 centimeters Brandon, 13 centimeters Emerson, and yeah, we were seeing about 63 centimeters at Sisseton, South Dakota. So that's gone down a little bit there, but Fargo and Grand Forks have also gone up. They're showing about 13 to 14 inches between those two cities in North Dakota. If you're going to be traveling anywhere in this general area tonight or tomorrow, even Friday, I wouldn't suggest it. Ontario is going to get blasted as well with this tomorrow. They could see areas of 16 to 20 inches as well. So this is going to be a pretty widespread system. Manitoba is just getting brushed by it. Even southeast Saskatchewan is going to see a little bit now, 3 inches in the extreme southeast. I'll show you the HRRR now, because this one updates every hour. It won't show us quite as far ahead, but it will show the most recent updates. So each one of these jumps in the radar here is an hour difference. So from now, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So within 19 hours from now, the storm should be passed off into Ontario and shouldn't really be affecting Manitoba much by then. And this one's accumulations are showing pretty similar to what the NAM was showing, except it's showing this area of purple here extends a little bit further into central South Manitoba, so Winkler Morton area. These models are pretty consistent with each other now, and each run does seem to bring it slightly closer to Manitoba. So I just wanted to give you guys this little update and let you know what the models were showing now. I said in the last video that I would do so it's not hope update indicates a more northerly direction. It does indicate a more northerly direction, yes. I wouldn't be surprised to see it a little bit more north yet. It does seem to be already much farther north than what was anticipated. If we look at the HRRR, that'll show us basically what we're seeing already. And I can confirm it is snowing a little bit in Portage la Prairie, so this is probably pretty accurate. I think my tablet is dead, so I can't really show you guys radar right now, but we can see on radar that it is already snowing in most of southwestern Manitoba. So I would say this model is already pretty accurate, the HRRR, which if we look at the NAM, it's not quite as far north. It's showing it just barely along the international border. So we could definitely see more snow farther north into Manitoba, and the heavier accumulations come up into Manitoba as well. As far as how much, I can't really say for sure right now, but we will definitely be keeping an eye on this throughout the night, and if anything changes, we'll definitely make updates. The next model run for the NAM will be I think at 8 o'clock, so we won't get an update for this until then. HRRR will update every hour, so we should be able to watch on that for a while. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. Told you I would, so I wanted to do that and make it as fast as possible. That's why I decided to do the live stream. Anybody have any questions or anything? Feel free. Sorry, my mount decided to fail me there. If anybody has any questions, definitely feel free to comment below and let me know, and I can answer them for you. Trying to get my tablet to turn on here so I can see radar, but it is dead as a rock. So I unfortunately cannot do that right now. I can show you on here. And it's not going to show us much on visible radar because it is dark out. So we'll go to infrared. So this is our radar here currently. It won't depict the difference between rain and snow. I'm not sure if I can on this actually. I don't use this radar very often, so yeah, I don't see anything that'll let me depict the difference between rain and snow. But you can see right here, we are already... Alright, sorry about that. Yeah, see here, we're already seeing snow in southwest Manitoba, southeast Saskatchewan. Yeah, this radar. I do not know why it keeps buffering on you guys. Expecting a system around New Year's Day. Actually, I was going to touch on that. I did notice when I was browsing through models that it does look like New Year's Eve we could see another clipper system come through the region. Thank you for bringing that up, Dylan. I forgot to mention that. So right here, December 31st into January 1st, we have this clipper coming in. I'm not expecting... Look here. So yeah, we could see 2 to 4 inches for sure on New Year's Eve into New Year's Day. We'll definitely keep an eye on that one as well. After this one tonight passes, we'll focus on that one. So thank you for that, Dylan. And anybody else have any questions? I can definitely answer them before we end this live stream. Just let me know in the comments. Sorry about all the sniffling as well. I'm getting a head cold here, I think. It's that time of year. So they've started the 00Z run for the HRRR model. It's 0% complete though, so I can't do anything with it yet. But I'm excited to see what that one's going to show. Alright, if nobody else has any questions, I'm going to shut the stream down here. Just wanted to let you guys know it is continuing to track further north than previously expected. And if If it continues to do that or moves further north, I'll let you all know. Stay tuned to our page. Subscribe to our YouTube. Turn on notifications. I think that's why we only have a total of 16 people watching this one. So, yeah, subscribe, turn on notifications so you will know when we go live or when we upload a video. Until then, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for joining.